Everyone, let us now try to understand what do we mean by vulnerable time in Aloha. Okay, vulnerable time is the time for which there is a possibility of collisions. For example, in the previous videos we have seen here and here during these time periods the collisions existed. So the total this duration from this point till this point, this duration we call it as vulnerable time. This is the time duration between which the collisions are existing. It is not from this end to this end. This is your total time, out of which this is your vulnerable time. Let us understand this by making use of one example. Here there are three different stations A, B, C. Assume station B is sending the packet at time T and before T. So we have taken if TFR and TP both are same, means propagation time, okay, frame duration, the time for to reach the frame, that time, propagation time. So since we have started this with T, let us take this as T minus that propagation time. Okay, so first station A sends the frame and before station A completes, station B starts at T, and again before B completes sending, C has started somewhere here. Okay, and these are the times. If this is T, this is T minus TP, that is TFR, this is T plus, and this duration is fixed. Okay, if this is the case, what is the vulnerable time for this scenario? It is from this end till this end there is a possibility of collision. Why I have started with this is because it is not only this point. Frame started here. Okay, if we check here, the vulnerable time is not from this end to this end. Okay, it will be from this end, from this point, because this station starts here. From this till this the collision exists. So here also I think it is not this, it is only this, because collision point is only this much. After that this part will not get affected. So if you just observe that starting point, this is the T and this is T plus TFR. If you just subtract this point from this point, you will get the vulnerable time 2 times TFR, that is 2 times TP. It is the time duration for which there is a possibility of collision. Okay, now vulnerable time is 2 times TFR. Let us now understand what is throughput, that is the efficiency. For pure Aloha, if G indicates the average number of frames generated by a system during one frame transmission time, that is one frame transmission time, that is from one station to the receiver, if duration in one frame transmission time, if G is the average number of frames generated by the system, by the time one frame is getting transmitted to the receiver, station will generate G number of frames. Okay, if this is the condition, then for pure Aloha, average number of successfully transmitted frames, that is efficiency, throughput. S is given by G multiplied by exponential of minus 2 into G. G is the average number of frames generated by the station during one frame transmission time. Okay, and it is proven that with G is equal to 1 by 2 value, that is 1 by 2 means 0.5, means only half. If only half the frame is generated during one frame transmission time, if this is the case, then you will get this S value as the maximum value. For this particular value of G, if you substitute half e to the power of minus 2 into half, just calculate from your calculator, you will get some value. That value is the maximum value and it comes to be 0.184. Okay, if you substitute G value as 1 by 2, you will get this S as S max, and this S max value is 0.184. It means 18.4% of these frames, whatever are generated, they will reach the receiver successfully. That is the throughput of the system. Okay, so we have discussed 2 points here. One is vulnerable time, it is 2 times the propagation time, and throughput for pure Aloha S is generally given by G into e to the power of minus 2G, and this value is a maximum S max for G equals to 1 by 2. If you substitute that, you will get it as 0.184, that is 18.4% of the generated frames, they reach the destination successfully. Thank you.